Hi guys, Thankyou here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to create this look. Twilight Dusk makeup tutorial. And if you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. And starting off with a primer, which is No Shine Mattifier from Quick Effects, and then using this L'Oreal Infallible True Match for my foundation, and I just used the flat kabuki brush from Sigma to even out the foundation and blend it well. I'm pressing it on my face. Using this Maybelline concealer as my highlighter and concealer on my eye bags and highlighting these areas that I'm placing the concealer, as you can see, and then blend, 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 and blend. Use a beauty sponge for this, and then using my contour, which is the LA Girl in coffee shade, and then again, as usual, blending it in. It's easier to blend these types of contour cream using a flat kabuki brush. And on my nose, I just use a beauty blender, beauty sponge, and then setting it with a powder, which is I'm using the Eyeshadow one, and then setting all over my face. Using the Everbelena in taupe color on my eyebrows. As you can see, this is my oldest technique and it's very easy to do, and then blend at the end. Blend, blend, blend. And using this NYX Yellow Concealer on outlining or cleaning my brows, and as well as my base for my eyeshadow. How you like that? Da, 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 da. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Twilight Dusk You Can Be under the shade of Amethyst as my transition color. And then I use the Twilight, and then followed by the Cosmo as my deep crease color. And then just blend it and blend. Blending is the key for eyeshadow, guys. And then for the last color, I'm using the Turkish Delight as the color of my eyelids. I spread it all over my lids and then blend and blend and blend. And to shimmer it up, I use the mask, I don't know. It's a bit diffuse glitters, but it's super beautiful onto your skin. Using the same shade, first is the Amethyst and the Twilight, and then Cosmo for my lower lids. Using the GT Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and then as you can see, Wing It Girl, and then using the Everbelena to tightline my waterline so that it will be very black, and Baba Boom eyelashes, and using the shade Angelic as my nose contour, and blend. So hi guys, that's it guys. This is the finished look and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I decided to have this look instead of putting on some wigs. I'll be happy to know if you love this look, and please leave it on the description box. If you do have suggestions, comments, leave it down below and I'm very happy to do it. By the way guys, I hope you like this look. This is my eyes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye for now. Sarang